Here are 5 things you didn't know about Xerxes' insane bridge across the Hellespont in 480 BCE. First, when storms destroyed his first bridge, Xerxes literally whipped the sea 300 times and threw chains into the water to punish it. He then beheaded the engineers who built it. This wasn't just rage, it was psychological warfare against nature itself. Second, his replacement bridge used 674 warships chained together in 2 parallel lines stretching over a mile across the strait. Third, the bridge was wide enough for 2 war chariots to pass side by side, with wooden planks covered in earth so horses wouldn't fear the water below. Fourth, over 1,400,000 Persian soldiers marched across this floating highway for 7 straight days and nights. Fifth, here's the most insane part. After his entire army crossed, Xerxes ordered the bridge completely destroyed. His soldiers couldn't retreat. They had to conquer Greece or die trying. One bridge became the ultimate point of no return.